Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the source of the watermark and selecting a legitimate path. Purchase the Apps Pro export, use an official remove watermark option, or work from your original footage. Once done, make sure to back up the project and exported files so you can revert if needed. You'll avoid legal and ethical issues by choosing paid or permissioned options. This is why I'm not showing hacks. Proceed with the app's official settings and account credentials to export cleanly. Next, open the project in the app that inserted the watermark and use its official export controls. If the app offers a pro subscription or one-time purchase to remove the watermark, complete that step and then toggle off any watermark option. Make sure export settings like resolution and format match your Capcut project so you avoid quality loss. Once exported watermark-free, import the clean file into Capcut for further editing, trimming, or compositing as needed. Finally, import your officially exported watermark-free file into Capcut to finish edits and add overlays or effects. If you still see a watermark, make sure you exported from the correct account and that the purchase or subscription completed. Re-export after restarting the app if required. If problems persist, contact the app's support with proof of purchase or replace the clip with your original footage. This preserves rights and avoids unauthorized removal attempts that could.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.